Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a new video. So it's a get things done with me. I'm at the grocery store and I am grocery shopping for about 2 weeks worth of food. I didn't get much footage of the grocery store because I'm still uncomfortable filming in public, but I'll get there one of these days. So I'm just showing you guys a little bit of what my grocery store looks like, and then I'll show you guys what I got from the grocery store. So I didn't really thoroughly go through to show you guys each thing that I bought. I just wanted you guys to see, but if I was doing a video based on grocery haul alone, I would have slowed down and basically showed you guys and explained to you guys what meals I can probably get out of each food. So I'm sorry about that, but the next time I do a grocery haul, I'll do a separate video just so you guys can see how I plan my meals around my grocery hauls. So I bought some beef mincemeat and I'm gonna make some burgers. I haven't made burgers in a long time. I think it's probably since September, October of last year. So I've been craving them. These burgers shrink a lot. It's my first time actually trying beef burgers. I usually do chicken burgers and these shrink a lot, and I was kind of disappointed because the buns I usually buy were not there, so I buy those that are a little bit bigger, as you guys will see just now. And the burgers you could have hardly seen the burgers in the buns. So yeah, but they taste really delicious. And yeah, so I'm just gonna go and show you guys how I'm seasoning it up. And these don't need a lot of seasonings. They're already very flavorful, but it's up to you. But they didn't need much seasonings for me. So because I'm accustomed to chicken burgers, I have never seen this much oil when it comes to burgers, and I did put a little bit because I didn't know what it would need, and so it really springed out a lot of oil. So next time I'll know better. So I decided, because the burgers are getting so small, I decided, yes, you guys see I'm disappointed, but it smells so good. I decided I'm just gonna do some fries at the side. I had these potatoes to do with other meals, but I just decided to sacrifice 3 just to make some fries, and they're gonna be skin on, kind of a thick cut fries. And yeah. Your love, Mrs. Kaywana, is right. So this is the end product. This is how everything is looking, and it was delicious. It was really delicious. I enjoyed it. I don't really eat as much fatty and fried food normally, but when I do, I really want to enjoy it a lot, and I don't want to feel guilty for eating it. So I really truly enjoy this. after I finished eating my lunch, I decided to mop the floor. I love this. I'm not quite sure what the name is, but it's amazing. And the cloth, you can always just take it off and put it in the machine when it gets dirty, so you don't really have to buy anything to put on it. And it just sticks on immediately. It doesn't get old and stuff like that. I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget the thumbs up, subscribe down below, share and comment and let me know what videos you'd like to see from me. And for those of you who subscribe to me for all my natural content, let me know also what kind of videos you'd like to see from me. I'm just trying to venture out more in 2023, so this is something that I really enjoyed doing, with just sharing my life with you guys. So I hope you guys won't mind me trying to venture out and see where this goes. But regardless of that, please let me know what kind of natural content you would like to see from me. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have already subscribed, and I'll see you guys. Bye. Mwah.